Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Minecraft launch error code 80. So it's due to the failure to connect or initialize the Minecraft launcher. So usually this happens due to the common causes or outdated or broken Microsoft launcher, corrupted Microsoft store, or missing gaming service or account sign in error. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So our first step is to clear the cache and temp files. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type %appdata% and then you need to enter into .minecraft folder, then delete the folders as shown on the video. Click delete icon to delete all the temp and cache folders, and the second step is to sign out and sign in the Minecraft, or else you are using Xbox in the sense you need to do for that too. So enter into your Minecraft. Over the top left side profile icon, click it and you may see the logout option. Please log out and log in again to solve the issue temporarily. If you are using Xbox in the sense you need to do the same as for Xbox 2 to continue the game. Yeah, enter into the Xbox and sign out the credential on the Xbox. So once you're done, please sign in again and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow the third step is to reset the Microsoft store. For that you need to click Windows R and then type ws reset.exe and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's automatically reboot and restart the Microsoft store, and it will repair and reset the store in the background. Have some patience to wait for few minutes. It automatically do the process, and once it's done, please close it. And our fourth step is to reset Minecraft and Xbox. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there on the app, installed apps, you need to search for Minecraft and then click the three dot icon on the right corner, enter into the advanced option, and you can click reset and repair for better solution. And keep in mind, once you reset you need to enter the credential once again to log in. So same as you need to do for Xbox 2. First check repair and then if the issue is not solved, then you can do the reset. Either or, please don't start with the reset. Yeah, once it's done, our fifth step is to run system file check. So for that you need to enter into the command prompt as a run as an administrator mode. Once you entered, please type sfc space bar scan now /scan now. Yeah, once it's done, it start verifying and it will take much time to complete, so have some patience to wait on it. Once it's done, after that you need to type dism space /online space /clear up -image space /restore health. Once it's done, please close it, or else you can type exit to close the CMD. So our sixth step is to repair gaming service. For that you need to enter into the PowerShell and then click run as an administrator mode and copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's automatically enter into the Microsoft Store gaming service. If you are already installed, it will ask you to update, or else it will ask you to install if you are not installed previously. Yeah, once it's done, please close it and restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, in the sense you need to reinstall the application once again to solve the issue. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.